a beautiful 86-degree day in the windy city of Chicago, and indoors it is heating up.
But he hung himself in the air.
Taking off, here he comes. There it is. Oh, no, no, there it is. Michael was on the runway. Missed his shot. Michael Powers has won the NBA championship for the second straight season.
So what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Sneak Peek with Josh, and we are back. As you guys see, it is going to be a classic and definitely a celebrated sneaker. Caused a lot of controversy, but if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and just tune in, because this is about to heat up. So watch this. So as I said in the very beginning, this is a classic. This is very dope and very celebrated. Caused a lot of controversy, and a lot of people just blew this sneaker out of proportion. But as you guys know, we are talking about the Air Jordan 6 Carmine 2021 version. We are instantly going to lose this box because there's nothing really different about it, but we will highlight a lot of details, history, and we will speak more on this controversy. So watch this. Now that box is out of the way, you guys have a nice clear view of this sneaker. The silhouette is by far clean. It's pretty dope, but me, I'm more so into the history, and I'm more solid on the very first. As you guys seen in those clips in the beginning, this is the sneaker that Jordan won his second championship in 91-92 season against, I believe it was the Blazers. If I'm wrong, leave a comment, drop a comment. So in terms of that history, as you guys know, this was the very first championship, the DMP6. He won. Then once he changed the game up, he went into that next season in 91-92. He definitely popped off with the Carmine. Set the tone. He definitely did have that very famous free throw putback dunk that a lot of people always still talk about to this very day. But I have this one and know that history is pretty dope. But in terms of that controversy, a lot of people was going crazy. That old silhouette, as you guys know, I will have details above, but that old silhouette was pretty much cleaner to me. I like how it was very more so classic. This one here, as you guys see, it is pretty bright. I will have more details. We have a nice solid ice tone at the bottoms, very crispy, followed by that nice red Jumpman. It's pretty dope. Have that nice clear sole on the toe area, and then as we lead down to this midsole, man, it's pretty clean. You can never go wrong with that crispy, that air bubble, and also that ice, the way it surrounds it, which also leads into that black panel around it, and that nice white toe area. It is the tip of the toe, but it is dope. It's very clean. Leads us up to that red tone. It has those little hints of red. Very good vibe. Jordan did rock this one. He did have this one on for their finals championship photo that you do see above. It's just clean. I feel like this was the one that was rocked best with the Bulls jersey. Correct me, or let's just start up a conversation on that aspect. What's your choice in terms of Jordan silhouettes that match the Bulls jersey, Wizards jerseys, whichever one of your choice? If you look above the toe, we have that nice white, white laces, can never go wrong. And then that classic, nice, very, very good black Jumpman right here above, followed by that nice red lace lock that also has the black Jumpman on it. Like I said, we will have details above, but this shoe is pretty much hard for me to highlight because it is dope. But as you guys see, we have that nice classic red pull tab. If you do want to see the comparisons from that 91 championship and that 92, we do have the gold metallic on this one, on the DMP6s, Defined Moments package. And then we also have on the Carmine that nice red and black pull tab, as we say, instead of shaking your foot into it, you just throw your foot in there and pull that tab and you're nice and set to go. But we will keep this one nice, short, and simple. And you guys let me know if this shoe was worth that controversy. You know, people lining up, people fighting for pairs, you know, raiding stores. I wouldn't say raiding stores, but basically just, you know, terrorizing a lot of stores just for this one pair. If you feel it was worth it, you know, just drop a comment. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.